Number 22, x plus 4 squared plus y minus 19 squared equals 121. The graph of the given equation is a circle in the xy plane. The point A, B lies on the circle. Which of the following is a possible value for A? Okay, now circles are one of those things that they look very fancy, but it's actually very straightforward as to what this equation that we have here means. This is the base form, standard form. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. H and k, that is your center of that circle. Notice this is the opposite, so this is a negative h or minus h, and we just want h. So it's subtracting that h, and then that's what goes there. So the way of thinking of that is the opposite of whatever's there, and then the opposite of whatever's here. That's going to be your center. And then this number that's by itself is the radius squared. So take the square root of that and you will have your radius. That's it. So once you have that memorized, this sort of problem, like right here, you wouldn't need to put it into Desmos or into a graphing calculator. Again, if you want to, like with all these, if you want to put it in a graphing calculator, if you are more comfortable doing that, if you're more confident in your answer, go for it. You know, we want you to feel confident that you have the right answer. But for like this one, that's a lot to type in. X plus 4 squared plus y minus 19 squared. I think it can be done faster by hand. Your mileage may vary. So we're told the point AB lies on the circle. Which of the following is a possible value for A? Well, I need to know where this circle is. So I'm not using the graph in the background, just kind of sketching a quick for myself sort of sketch. So our first part, x plus 4. So I know the x coordinate is the opposite of positive 4. It is negative 4. And then y minus 19. So I know the y coordinate for the center of that circle is the opposite of that. It's positive 19. This is not to scale. Okay. And I also know that the radius, there we go, comes from here, 121. That is the radius squared. So if I take the square root of 121, I get 11. So I know this circle has a radius of 11. Now, so it's a circle and it has a radius of 11. Does it matter that I haven't drawn this very well at all? Not really. This is just for me to visualize so I know what's going on. Right. So they want to know there's a point A, B. What could be a value of A? Well, A is our x value. So to find out what could be a value for x, I need to know how far from left to right this circle goes. What are all its possible x values? Well, the center is here at negative 419, and my radius is 11. So I know it goes this way 11, and it also goes that way 11. It goes both directions by 11. So to find out the domain, that's our proper little term here, domain, the x values for this, how far to the left does it go? Well, it starts at negative 4 and it goes 11 to the left. So negative 4 minus 11 is negative 15. Then to the right, it starts at negative 4 and it goes towards the positive 11. So negative 4 plus 11, and that gives me 7. So I know that this circle goes from negative 15 all the way to 7, and there are values, x values within there that would be somewhere on this circle. So I'm going to look through my answers and I'm going to look for something that's between negative 15 and 7, and there's only one option. That is B, negative 14. Everything else falls on either side of that, and that's it. So again, I think it's something where if you know your circle, your standard formula of a circle pretty well, and you can bring this up pretty quickly, that you could do like, oh, so 11 either way, minus 11 plus 11. Okay. You don't necessarily need Desmos. But again, you do you. We want you to feel comfortable, and the most important thing is just getting the answer right. Right? In this case, the right answer is B, negative 14. Hey guys, just a quick heads up. I've got some cool stuff coming for y'all, including a free course full of SAT tips and tricks, as well as an exhaustively complete course on everything you need to know for the SAT, both math and reading. So subscribe to the channel to get notified when that goes live. I'm also going to put it in the comments and description below as soon as it does. In the meantime, if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.